everyone, welcome back to today's Inside Dyness Power. Today, we are diving deeper into the Dyness Powerbox G2, focus on two of its core strengths, on-demand expansion and 1C discharge performance. Whether you are an installer or homeowner, this product offers the efficient and flexible energy solution you've been looking for. Let's start with something I think many of us can relate to. As your home energy needs grow, you might not want to invest a huge sum upfront to upgrade your entire energy storage system. So, what's the solution? That's on-demand expansion. Powerbox G2 supports scalable capacity, meaning you can add more batteries based on your actual energy needs. Say, you've added a few high-power appliances at home and you're worried about power shortage. No problem. With simple plug-and-play connections, you can scale up your system easily. It supports up to 50 units in parallel, giving you a total capacity from 10.24 kilowatt-hours all the way up to 512 kilowatt-hours. And the best part, no additional hub devices are needed for parallel connection. There's few accessories, simple setup, and a lot less hassle. Now let's talk power output. Have you ever had an AC heater and oven running all at once, and the electricity just couldn't keep up? That's when your battery system really gets taxed. The Powerbox G2 supports 1C discharge, which means it can provide fast and stable power output under heavy loads. In plain terms, it's built to handle high-demand situations. Even when you are powering multiple heavy-duty appliances at the same time, Powerbox G2 keeps your energy flowing with no dips in performance. And of course, installation is just as easy and flexible, whether it's indoor or outdoors. The Powerbox G2 fits right in. With the IP65 protection rating, it's built to work safely in a wide range of environments. It also comes with a built-in Wi-Fi model, so users can monitor system performance anytime, anywhere through a mobile app, check charge levels, system health, or receive alerts, all in real time. With on-demand expansion, 1C discharge, easy installation, and high safety standards, Dyness Powerbox G2 is the ideal choice for both home and commercial energy storage users. If you are looking for a smart, reliable, and scalable energy storage solution, this is the one to check out. Together with Dyness, discover your nature.